Tired of seeing that annoying error code 1114 every time you fire up Counter-Strike 2 on your rig? Don't sweat it. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing this glitch so you can get back to fragging. So let's jump right into the fixes, no time to waste. Solution 1. Run Steam as an administrator. To do this, click the system tray icon. Then right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. Now, right-click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. After that, click on Yes to give permission. Now, go to your library and check if you can launch CS2 without this error. Solution 2. Update your graphics driver. You can update it in 3 ways. Using Windows Update from Device Manager or downloading it from the device manufacturer's website. Method 1. To update your video driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now, Windows will update any outdated driver, including your graphics driver. Method 2. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. To do this, type Device Manager in the search box and click to open it. Then click on the little arrow icon in front of Display Adapters to expand it. Next, right-click on your graphics card name and select Update Driver. Then, click on Search automatically for drivers. Device Manager will update your graphics driver if there are any available updates. After it finishes, close the tab. Method 3. You can also visit your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the updated graphics driver from there. After downloading and installing the latest driver, reboot your computer and check if the issue is solved. Solution 3. Install the latest DirectX runtime program. To do this, open this link in your favorite browser. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description below. From this page, select your language and click on Download. Now open the downloaded file and click Yes to give permission. Now, click on I accept the agreement and then the Next button. Untick Install the Bing bar and click on Next again. If there's a download for DirectX available for your Windows 11 computer, it'll be shown here now. Just hit Next and it'll start downloading and installing DirectX on your PC. Just wait until it's done. And when it's done, hit that Finish button. After that, reboot your computer and the error should be gone. So that's how you fix the error code 1114 in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.